Is your Volvo S60 failing to launch Apple CarPlay, leaving you stuck with the standard infotainment screen? Statistics show that 80% of intermittent CarPlay issues are resolved through simple software resets. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your connection back online. Start by confirming your cable is MFI certified and that the CarPlay feature is active in your Sensus settings. If the software is fine, check the physical port for debris or signs of a loose connection at the hub. Software conflicts are common, particularly if your Sensus firmware is outdated or your iPhone version is incompatible. You can handle basic resets yourself, but deep firmware issues or damaged wiring require a professional diagnostic. Half of all CarPlay issues stem from a faulty cable, so test a known good one before doing anything else. If problems persist, perform a hard reset by holding the center screen button for 20 seconds to clear the cache. Keep a small can of compressed air and a genuine cable in your glove box to troubleshoot on the go. Remember, your connection is only as strong as the weakest link in the chain, usually the cable itself. If these steps didn't work, it is time to visit your local Volvo dealer for a firmware check.